Dear guys, I invite you for our today's group discussion. As you all are aware about today's topic, it is all about social media. It has some advantages and disadvantages. I know I don't need to tell you what are the advantages because you all are informed youth. You know what to say, what not to say. Everything has some use and misuses. So I expect healthy introduction from you. No self introduction, the topic introduction. Then advantages and disadvantages. Ready for that one?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So let's start it.
Media is the platform where we can raise our knowledge. Social media is the platform where we can raise our knowledge with the help of internet. Social media is done with the help of internet in the mobiles, televisions, computer, laptops. There are many sites where we get the education. It is the connecting link between the far people sitting from us. We can easily talk to each other. We can create friendship between each others.
Yes.
So there are some disadvantage of social media which we discuss later on.
Hello friends, our today's topic is social media. Social media is very useful for us. Social media is a platform where we can connect with our friends, our relatives, our friends who live in foreign countries. Social media makes our world modern. We can use social media in computers, laptops, mobile phones. Social media give us a good life to live. There are many advantages and disadvantages of social media. We will discuss later on this.
Social media is a platform which is spread all over the world. It helps us to study or we can share our thoughts on social media. In social media, we can also connect with our friends which are so far away from us. There are so many advantages and disadvantages of social media. I will share further.
Social media is useful for us. It is a help to grow our education level, and it is with the help of social media we can pay the payments of other people. We can connect with the other people on social media like Instagram, Facebook. I shall discuss later.
Today our GD topic is social media. We know that every coin has two sides, good and bad. Social media is that platform to give information in all around the world. It helps to growing our education level and it teaches us to survive in all around the society. It has many advantages and disadvantages we talk about further later.
So friends, our topic is social media. Let's discuss it. As we all know, social media made human life very easy. And it is good to say that social media is the platform through which we can connect all over the world or our relatives which are in every corner of the world. And it is also good to say that social media brings our biggest revolution in the communication history of the world. Social media platform is that platform through which we can connect or communicate our relatives globally, and we can say that social media helps us in many ways. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter are its many others. In fact, in spite of these, social media has many advantages and disadvantages, which we will later discuss.
So hello friends, today our GD topic is social media. Social media is well known for all of us. We all know about it. It is very useful to us. It is available 24 hours for us and it is so cheap to use. There are many sites and apps which we can use for our studies. Even in lockdown we can see it easily. There are schools are closed due to the COVID-19, but we are studying continuously by the online classes. So we have to know this thing. It is very useful to us and there are many disadvantages also with it, so we will discuss later on.
There are many advantages of social media. Social media help us to make our business. We can earn money from the social media. It is very useful for us. We can increase our status from the social media. There are many things which we can do with the help of social media. We can do net banking. We can easily buy anything from the marketplace. Nowadays we can say the people are so busy in their lives, so they do not have too much time in their life. They easily can buy or sell their things with the help of social media. They can create friends among each other.
Friends, there are many advantages of social media. Firstly, children use social media for their education. In lockdown system, children use social media for their online classes. Business person use social media for spreading their business in the entire world. There are many other advantages of social media. We can use net banking with the help of social media. We can be online payments with the help of social media. We can buy foods.
So now we will discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of social media. Firstly, I will tell about the disadvantage of social media. If we are away from our house and we want to buy anything and we don't have money, so we can pay online by the social media. And in the COVID-19, the students were not able to go to schools. So by the help of social media, they could study at home.
There are many advantages of social media. It is used for education. Children use for social media for online classes. It is used for net banking. We can pay the payment easily through net banking like Paytm, PhonePe, etc. Use of social media, we can grow up our education level.
Social media has both sides, advantages and disadvantages. There are some disadvantages. Students and children spend most of the times on phones with playing video games and playing other games. There are some disadvantages. The paper leaks in social media, it is very harmful for us. It has some disease also, eye disease, skin disease. We lose our eyelids and skin problem have also in it. But there are some advantage of this. We can use it in 24 hours. It has good teachers. Social media is a great platform for children and anybody for.
Social media has many advantages. Why we go so far? Let's just take the recent examples. As we have seen in the epidemic, that there is a chance that children have to stop their education, but social media help us a lot. We have seen that the schools have and colleges have organized their online lectures and online classes, due to which the education of the children don't get spoiled. And the second thing, in the lockdown, we have seen the markets are closed and the people have faced problems to buy someone, but social media help in this sector also. We have seen some social media sites such as Flipkart, Amazon, due to which we can avail the facility of online shopping.
So friends, we all know that Bitcoin has two faces and it is also applicable on the social media, because social media has many advantages, but with all these things it has also the disadvantage. Firstly, we will talk about the advantages of the social media. With the help of social media, we can connect our relatives whenever they are going far from us, and it is very useful to solve our problems online. It is available all over the world and 24 hours. It is so cheap to use, only the phones we get. So it is very useful to us, but apart from these advantages, there are many disadvantages, because the eyes of the children are also affected by this, and there are many skin problems due to.
Yes.
We have talking about points of disadvantage and some points of advantage on social media. In my conclusion, social media is good because it helps in development, so we have to use social media in a limited time. Thank you.
Friends, we discuss on advantage and disadvantage of social media. I think it is very useful for us. We use social media in our limited time. We didn't pay our more time on social media, and we need to use it in a limit, because if we use in more amount, we get many diseases. Thank you.
Social media, in my concern, social media is very useful, but it is useful for a limited time. It is useful for a limited time.
We have talked about the advantage and disadvantage of social media. So now I concluded that we could use social media, but as a limited time.
We will discuss the advantage and disadvantage of social media. It is very useful for us when we use in sensible manner, but when we use in unlimited, it is harmful for us.
Friends, we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of social media. So I concluded that social media is boon for society, but if we use it in a limited way, and if it is used unlimited, it will destroy our society and our children also.
So friends, we all talk about the disadvantage and advantage of the social media. So we all know that the access of everything is bad. So it is also applicable on the social media because we use in a limit. So it is useful for us. So we have to take the positive point from it, and it is very useful for us. So no one can expect the negative from it. So we have to limit it.
So dear students, I am very happy with your performance. You all participated. It was a way to express what you know. See, we all have limited information. We can't say that we have everything. But what we know, if we speak confidently, if you speak in a sensible manner, that is group discussion. We had not that 3, 4, 5 hours for a long debate. We had 2 minutes hardly for each person. So you participated very well. You tried to give what you knew. So I am very happy with your participation point and with your speaking point. And I hope a lot of other things from you in coming sessions. So let's end the session today.
Yes, sir.
And have a great time.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.